Okay, so we're going to talk about the parabola now, which is also a conic section. Now, we've worked with parabolas in the past. We've had equations that were quadratic equations, quadratic functions, and we did a lot of work with those, and we even graphed them. But now we're taking a different perspective, and it's based on the definition of the parabola. Okay, so we'll talk about that a little bit here. So now this is our last picture with our cones, and we're passing this plane through one of the cones, and we're getting this parabolic shape, or a parabola. Okay, but here's the definition. There's a point somewhere, we'll call it the focus, and then there's what's called a directrix. So this is like the focus. I'll do this more in the next video. And this is called, might be a new word, directrix. Directrix. And it's just a line. Now, a parabola is formed. It's the distance, it's a point such that the distance here is the same as the distance there. Okay, I don't want to do that the way I did it. Okay, so it's a point, and the distance here is equal to the distance here. So the distance from the point to the focus is the same as the point to the directrix. But see, you could have another point. I'll try to eyeball it here. And then that point has the same distance to the focus, same distance to the focus as the directrix. So pretend like those are equal. And then there'd be another point over here that would be similar, and it would have the same distance here as here. And so you get all these points doing this, and there's an infinite number of points, and that makes the parabola. So the definition of the parabola is all those points that have the same distance from the point to the focus as the point to the directrix. Now, when you're going to the directrix, you're dropping a perpendicular, so that distance is from the point perpendicular to the directrix. Okay, that's the definition of a parabola. And we have parabolas out there in the real world. The common one that I always think of is the satellite dish, right? So we have lots of things that we use satellite dishes for, and they're a parabola. They're a parabolic shape. Okay, there's other things too, but that's the one that I think of right off. And in the next video, we're going to give you more details about the parabola and the equation.